Soft double team, he turns, and he swishes that jumper from the side. Here's Dalf Panopio. He misses, pero andun si Boy Eram to... Here comes the Philippines. Matthew Wright will stop and pop from 3. That's how you do it.
Oh, yes.
Manzano running with him. Instead, he goes to Chua. To the side, Matthew Wright. Releasing from 3 and connecting.
7 straight points for the Philippines.
Berto Bolic with the possession. Kicks it out. Matthew Wright, another 3 on the way. That's good!
Wow.
Kicks it to the cutter. That's a finger roll mula kay JP Eram. Nakuha na ng mga nakaputi. Parks up ahead. Easy layup for Matthew Wright.
And easily Matthew Wright at the forefront.
Wright will not convert. Ray Parks is there. Outside to Bolic. He'll take a 3 instead. That goes! Berto, some contact. Dropping it to Eram. And he finishes strong, looking for a foul as well. Van Pelt has been working. The kick out the 3-point land. Matthew Wright ties it up quickly. 10 seconds to shoot. Bolic releases from 3. That's good! Bolic. The 3. Good!
There you go.
For Berto Bolic. Poy Eram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a 3 from the top of the key. What a shot! Di na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survives. Vietnam 78-67. Nice